Most people give up fixing their credit because everything comes back verified. But what if I told you the bureaus don't really verify the debts? They verify you. Here's what I mean. When you send in a dispute, your letter runs through a system called e-Oscar. This system isn't checking if the debt is real. It's matching the information on your dispute against your driver's license. If your name, address, or even your signature matches, it automatically comes back, verifies, even if the debt itself hasn't been truly investigated. That's the trap most people don't realize. And in this video, I'll expose the hidden tricks that keep you stuck and the 2025 strategies to beat the system. Step 1. Beat the driver's license verification trap. When you dispute, your letter goes through e-Oscar, the automated system. It doesn't investigate the debt. It matches your name, address, and even your signature with your driver's license. That's why it comes back verified. The fix? Update or upgrade your license before you dispute. Change your address, correct details like junior, second, or third, and most importantly, change your signature. Scribble or alter it so it won't match the one on file. Now, e-Oscar can't auto-verify, forcing a real investigation. Step 2. Block the third-party snitch bureaus. The big three aren't the only ones watching you. There are hidden databases: LexisNexis, SageStream, Innovis, CoreLogic, CheckSystems. These are the snitches. They feed your info right back to Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. The fix? Send opt-out and suppression letters to block them from sharing your data. Once they're cut off, the big bureaus lose their backup source. Step 3. Delete the shadow data: names, addresses, and employers. Old names, addresses, and jobs tie you to bad accounts. If you've ever wondered why negative items keep sticking, it's because the bureaus are linking them back to your old profile data. The fix? File disputes to remove all outdated names, old addresses, old jobs, and even old emails. Leave only one clean identity. Now, any debt tied to old data becomes disconnected. Step 4. Traditional power moves. Once you've cleaned the foundation, now use the classics that work in 2025. Keep utilization under 10% using the 3-card rule. Add yourself as an authorized user to borrow age and history. Report positive rent and utilities to stack your file. Step 5. Freeze and lock down reports. After cleaning your data, take control by freezing secondary reports. This prevents debt buyers from pulling fresh info on you and attaching it to old accounts. The fix: place freezes on LexisNexis, Innovis, and SageStream. Once locked, the collectors can't refresh their files against you. Step 6. Challenge collections the right way. Collections are the biggest killers of credit scores, but most aren't even verified legally. Instead of just disputing with the bureaus, go after the collection agency directly. The fix: demand full validation, original contract, wet ink signature, full accounting. If they can't provide it, under federal law, they must delete it. Step 7. Build positive accounts strategically. Repair is only half the battle. You need to rebuild. In 2025, lenders look at more than just a score. They look at the mix. The fix: add a credit builder loan or self-lender account. Get a secured card, then upgrade it to unsecured. Use Experian Boost or rental reporting to stack positive payment history. Credit repair isn't about arguing with the bureaus. It's about breaking their system. Change your license, block the snitch bureaus, delete shadow data, and then rebuild. That's the 2025 method to boost your score and win. If you're tired of playing the credit game blind, smash that like button and subscribe right now. In the next video, I'll show you the exact letters and step-by-step flow to shut down collections for good.